Hello, Andreas from Userbrain here. Today I will give you a short introduction to the Userbrain plugin here in ChatGPT. It is already connected to my account, and I will start with retrieving a list of all my tests I have in my account. I do this by instructing the tool to show me all my Userbrain tests. And it should now call the lists test tool and give me a rich list of all the tests I have in my Userbrain account. Okay, so this is all the tests I have in my private testing account at Userbrain. And now I want to dig into some more details. I will pick for this the build.punkt test, and I will ask what we did test in the build.punkt test. And I would expect the MCP to know that it wants the tasks and then summarize the task for me. So now I wait what the MCP does. When I click on tool call, it first opened the test, and then it also called the get tasks tool. And now it tells me that this was the URL I tested, which is true, and a summary of what the participants were asked to do. Okay, that's cool. So next I want to know what the insights were that Userbrain surfaced from analyzing the test videos. For this, I asked the tool to give me a summary of the main insights from the build.punkt test. It should now understand which test it is and pull the related insights right into the context of ChatGPT. If we click again on tool call, we should see the insights tool call. So here it gets the insights, the response with all the insights. So now the AI has the context, and it now gives me a good summary of all the things we learned during this test, which is pretty helpful. And next I want to review the tasks I gave the testers in this test. So what I want to do or want to know now is that I want to know exactly what the first task was I gave users. So I will ask this, what was the first task I gave my testers in my build.punkt test? And here it is. This is exactly the text of the first task, so pretty handy. And last but not least, I will also ask for a detailed list of all the test sessions I have. And I will do this by telling it to list the test sessions for the build.punkt test. And when I do this, I should again get a detailed list like I got for the tests, but this time for the test sessions I got. So here I see the duration of the test sessions, the names of the testers, and the device they tested on.